Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove header margin in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to remove header margin. Firstly, go to the window menu and enable the pages section. Then we can see here show the all page at once. Then we go to any page, double click on this page. Now we can see we add a header. Now we want to remove the header margin. Go to the window menu again and select the layer option. We can see here show the layer. Then we go to the pages section and enable the master page. Then double click on the master page and go to the layer and select the toggle unlock or select this unlock option and select the text box. Go to the text frame option and we can see here the inserts is 3. Now we want to remove this, decrease any side. Now we make all 0, then close the panel, then lock this and disable this master page and go to the main page. Now we can see we remove the header margin very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.